Okay, dear students, welcome you all for today's class. In our last class, we were actually discussing about hydraulic machine. We had come to know that it's a actually you can say force multiplier. Okay, so by applying less effort, we can overcome larger force with the help of hydraulic machine. In our last class only we came to know that it works under the principle of Pascal's law, and we had got this formula F1 upon A1 equals to F2 upon A2. What is F1? That we had come to know, it is the force applied on the smaller piston. A1 is the area of the smaller piston, A2 is the area of the larger piston, and F2 is the load overcome or force overcome on the larger piston. So, from here we have come to know that A2 is greater than A1. So, A2 is greater than A1, that we know. So, definitely then what happens? Therefore, F2 will be greater than F1. How much will be F2? F2 will come equals to, if you do the cross multiplication, F2 A1 equals to F1 A2. So, it will be your F1 A2, it will come denominator upon A1. So, this is the formula. So, this formula clearly it says, as because A2 is greater than A1, A2 is greater than A1. So, that is why this value A2 upon A1 is greater than 1. So, when this value is greater than 1, so when it is being multiplied by this F1, so the whole value will come now greater than F1. That means, F2 is greater than F1, as because A2 upon A1 is greater than 1. Why A2 upon A1 is greater than 1? Because A2 is greater than A1. So, that is why in a hydraulic machine what is done actually, whenever we have to apply effort, actually we apply effort on the smaller piston. So, by applying less effort, large force can be overcome on your larger piston. Okay. Now, let's do one simple numerical. Suppose the numerical is like this, the question is like this: in a hydraulic machine, what effort is necessary to balance a load of 1000 Newton? The area of two pistons being 5 meter square and 200 centimeter square. This is your numerical. Now, try to understand this. I am going to do here. you just try to understand this. Suppose this is a hydraulic machine, very simple hydraulic machine I am going to draw. It's like this. Okay. You have been asked, in a hydraulic machine what effort is necessary? What effort? Effort means, always we know that effort we apply on the smaller piston. That means, what the force we apply here, that is your effort. That means F1, that is F1. So, F1 you have been asked what effort is necessary, means F1 you have been asked to balance a load of 1000 Newton load means load is always here. So that is F2. Effort we apply here, F1, and load is overcome here. So this is your F2. So F2 is given. F2 is given 1000 Newton. The area of two pistons being 5 meter square and 200 centimeter square. So this is 5 meter square. Definitely this is your larger piston, though the numerical is here 200, but its unit is centimeter square. It's a smaller piston. So the area of the larger piston, means this A2 is your 5 meter square, and 200 centimeter square is the area of the smaller piston A1. This is your 200 centimeter square. Sometimes students, they commit mistake, they get puzzled. 5 meter square is written here, then after that it comes 200 centimeter square. Sometimes a student write A1 this, A2 this, it gets wrong, it becomes wrong. So that's why you have to understand the question very clearly. That's why I am taking time, though this is a very simple numerical, but you must understand each and every step, each and every point. Now here you should look here. This is your A2 5 meter square, it's okay, is the SI unit. Now, but this is 200 centimeter square. So you have to convert this into meter square. So 200, you know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So that means to convert centimeter into meter, you have to divide by 100, but this is centimeter square. So 2 times you have to divide by 100. So that's why 100 into 100, now it has become your meter square. If you look this, it will come your 0.02. Okay, 2 upon 100 means 0.02 meter square. Now you can use this formula, F1 upon A1 equals to F2 upon A2, or F1 equals to F2 upon A2, it will go up into A1. F2 is your 1000 upon A2 is your 5 into A1 is your 0.02. F1, this is the force, so unit will be Newton. Now if you cancel it, it will come your, suppose like you can cancel here, 5 2s are 10, 200. If you multiply this, it will come 4 Newton. 0.02 is your 2 upon 100. 2020 goes 2 into 2, it is 4. Okay, 200 into 0.002, it will come 4. So 4 Newton is the effort which you have to apply. So the answer is your 4 Newton. So in this question, as because A1 is smaller, is very small, 200 centimeter square, A2 is large, area of the larger piston is very large. So that's why to lift a load of 1000 Newton very easily by applying 4 Newton effort, we can balance our 1000 Newton. Just here we have to we can balance. Okay.